Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am sharing my Saturday routine, or what I do on a typical Saturday. So usually once I get up and have my coffee, read my Bible, and journal, I do a few things, and I start by taking the sheets off the bed and putting them right in the washer. And then, of course, I put clean sheets on the bed and make the bed. I have mentioned this so many times, but I think it's so important to make your bed because it makes your room look so much cleaner and put together, and it feels great to climb into a made bed at the end of the day. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably know that I am a huge plant lover and I take care of my plants on Saturdays. So I'm not even going to be showing you all of them, but I'll show you quite a few. I love my house plants and I have quite a few. So on Saturdays, I go around and water them, and if anything needs to be repotted, I will do that. If I'm going to feed them, I will add that, and I just tend to my plants on Saturday. It's actually very enjoyable for me, so I just love going around and taking care of my plants. Now I am making brunch. My sons are here. They didn't have to work this morning, so I thought making brunch would be nice. I'm baking some bacon. This bacon is uncured, nitrate, and sugar-free, and I received this in my Butcher Box. Butcher Box is sponsoring today's video, and I wanted to tell you a little bit about it because I think it's awesome, and I think a lot of you guys will too. So they deliver 100% grass-fed beef, organic free-range chicken, and heritage breed pork right to your door, and all their products are humanely raised and free of antibiotics and hormones. I know that sometimes good quality meat can be very hard to find and very expensive. They have several box options available, and everything is really great quality. We have tried quite a bit, and we love the salmon, and the salmon is wild caught as well. I'll show you that in just a minute. But they buy directly from the ranchers, so you're able to save money that way, and new customers can receive $20 off plus 2 pounds of ground beef free in every order for the life of their subscription. So that's such a great deal. I will have a link in the description box below for you, and there is no commitment. You can cancel at any time. So I think this is so great because, like I said, it can be really hard to find good quality meat from great sources and for a great price, and this really makes it easy because you just order it and they deliver it right to your door. And like I said, there are many different options available, and you can create your own box so you aren't just getting things that you might not use. This box has a lot in it, so it's great to try out a lot of things, but I will have a link below so you can check out everything and see if it is something that would work well for you and your family. While the bacon was baking, I got some fruit together. So we have pineapple, clementines, and strawberries. I was running a little low on strawberries. Monday is my grocery day, so I wasn't being stingy, but I did use what we have. And the boys aren't super into omelets, so I made them scrambled eggs with bacon on the side, and then John and I are having omelets. So we have baby spinach, jalapeno, tomatoes, some Colby Jack cheese, and we are having our bacon right in our omelets. I'm also getting dinner ready. So I am making pulled pork sandwiches for dinner. So I have the pork loin chops from Butcher Box and I'm placing them in the slow cooker. I seasoned them, added some barbecue sauce, and cooked them on high for about 4 hours. So incredibly easy, and I will show you what it looks like when it's done. I also made some coleslaw because we all know coleslaw tastes better after it's been in the refrigerator for at least an hour and a half to 2 hours. So I wanted to get that all set. That way dinner later will be incredibly easy. John and I have been working out together on Saturdays, and I love this. I took this footage on my phone, so I couldn't crop it to the right size, but you get the idea. We actually met at the gym. A lot of you guys probably know that because I've mentioned it before, but we enjoy working out together, but it just doesn't always work out. So on Saturdays, we have been working out together, so we are loving that. Now that I'm back, I'm going to do my Saturday beauty maintenance routine. I've talked about this before and I do have a whole video on it, so I am going to link that. It's really hard to record painting your own nails, so I decided since I've already recorded it, you guys can just check that video out. But I just do things like self-tan, whiten my teeth, exfoliate, and do a mani and pedi. So dinner is all ready. The pork loin chops were so tender. I was able to just pull it apart and it looks delicious. I made some homemade mac and cheese on the stovetop. I had some pasta left over, so I just added cheese and made a little sauce with milk and butter. And then this is the coleslaw. Here's what we're having. I do have buns for the guys, but this is my plate. Oh, it looks so good. I've shared this before, but on Saturday evenings, usually when I'm cleaning up from dinner, I like to put dinner in the slow cooker for the next day. We eat our main meal in the afternoon on Sunday after church, so I get everything ready. I have this roast from Butcher Box. It's a grass-fed boneless roast, and then I have potatoes, carrots, onions. I'm going to put it all in the slow cooker. I added some beef broth and seasoned it and added a little red wine. And then what I usually do is put the crock in the fridge and then just heat it in the morning. So it's good to go, and we have a delicious meal when we come home on Sunday. On Saturday evenings, I always pick out what I'm going to wear to church in the morning. It was going to be very cold and snowy, so I selected a sweater and a pair of pants. That way I don't have to scramble in the morning. If you enjoyed this video, you will probably enjoy my Sunday routine video. It's how I prep for the week. I'll also have a few other videos on the screen that you can click on in case you want to check out more. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you have a wonderful day.